How to play Telegram videos on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about how easy it is to play the video on your iPhone from the application Telegram. Everything is very simple, you just need to follow me step by step to avoid any mistakes. First, go to the App Store application and in the search bar the application itself enter VLC and then select from the Suggest VLC Media Player and click on it. Then download this application by clicking on the Get button. Then we go to the application Telegram and move the section Settings. Then click on the line Saved Messages and here we can download any video to our device. I have here a video sent as a file and now you need to click on it. The best quality videos are sent as MP4 file, but if you have a problem, all you need to do is click on the video in the lower left corner and transfer it to the previously installed application VLC. And that's it. Thank you for watching.